Everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. I just wanted to jump up here and let y'all know who I am and a little bit about my background. And I am Tamia Evans. I was a hairstylist for about 15 years. I also have a wig line. I'm also a doll maker, which is a doll designer. I make baby dolls now. I have a lot of different things behind my belt. I even have a product line that's out there. And I'm just kind of got my hands in everything, but my love is hair. That's my background. That's where I come from. And I wanted to, come up here and introduce who I was, and I wanted to get on some, start talking about some different topics about hair and answering y'all guys' questions if you had any questions about your hair. You know what I mean? So I just thought that would be cool to do. I love to talk about hair. I love to educate about hair, and I like to not only just educate about it, but keep some money in your pocket, but you can still look fabulous. You feel what I'm saying? So I'm all about that. So I just thought this would be cool to do, y'all, and I'm so excited, and I hope you are too, and I hope that you're ready to get educated because it's about to go down, boo. It is about to go down. We are going to be educating you about your hair with using fruits, vegetables, herbs, some oils, organic. Your new hair store is going to be your produce markets, your supermarkets. You understand what I'm saying? Your farmer market. This is what I am going to teach you of the different herbs and vegetables and all this stuff you can do for your hair to make it fabulous. Okay? One thing I wanted to say also before we even get any farther. I'm well known for my big afro. If you don't know me, I'm very known for my big afro. But what I do want to tell you guys that don't know me, this is a hairpiece. I told you I have a wig line. So this hairpiece is actually for my wig line. Now, I'm about to answer your question that you about to ask. How's she going to teach about hair if she wearing wigs? I got you. However, I do wear wigs because I am a year off of 40 and I love the volume it gives me. My hair was actually like this at one time when I was younger. However, when I got older, my hair is not, I have hair, but it's not as thick as this wig that I wear. You feel me? And it's not as long as this wig that I wear. So, therefore, I choose, to give it a little oomph, and I love big hair. So I love wearing them. However, sometimes I do switch. Sometimes I will wear my hair. Sometimes I put my wig on. I may wear another wig or whatever. Plus, I'm a crafter. I crochet, I sew, and I make some cute, fabulous hats. I try everything with my hair, but my signature is the afro. And I do it for very different reasons. But overall, of course, when we get closer, this is my hair. I have a head full of hair. It's just not the way I want it per se, but I do have it. You feel what I'm saying? And like I said, I can teach you some things and where you will be able to wear your hair. Because I mean, with these wigs, with all of the stuff that we're doing to our hair, at the end of the day, we have to take care of it because what we going to do? I mean, at the end of the day, you can put the wigs on and stuff, but what happens when you get tired of it? Right now, you in the summertime. Some people may not feel like putting a wig on. You may not want to be hot, or vice versa. You just you probably just don't want to even put it on. You know what I mean? You just don't want to be bothered. You want your hair. So that's why it's important to take care of your hair. And I'm finding that people are somewhat getting away from that. I really do. I find that people are, using other things as substitutes. And then I think also the ones the people that are wearing their hair, it's like some of them, they're not real, like they're camouflaging it. Like sometimes, like for example, this wig that I have on, this afro wig is actually the same texture like my hair is. And this is actually a synthetic wig too, by the way. But it is the same hair texture that my hair is. And the reason why I'm putting these points out there is because you have to know your hair texture. And whatever your hair texture is, please, 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 please wear that. A lot of these perfect curls, like people are putting rollers in their hair, people are doing so many different things to it to get these perfect natural looks that they are seeing on YouTube, that they're seeing on magazines, or they're seeing wherever. Wear your texture, because you will break it off with trying to keep up with a lot of these looks. So, first make sure that you know what hair texture you have, you know? And I just think it's very important, and I just stress that because I find so many people are getting away from that. Like, some people want these coils, they want all this stuff, but is your hair like that? You feel what I'm saying? And if it's not like that, it's only gonna last a couple of days, and then you gotta take it out, do it all over, and you putting all this tension on the hair. Let it free. If it curls up and it's kinky or whatever, however they wanna say it or whatever, wear it, rock it, be you, be you. And that's something else that I do want to touch base on. When I say be you, meaning when you are going natural, that is a big step. That's something where I feel like, my opinion, I feel like that you have to be very secure in you. You have to be very secure in you and love you and all that good stuff. Because a lot of times, for so long with natural hair and things, we never could walk outside like that. We could do it now, but back in the day we couldn't do that. And it wasn't that long ago. And why? Because it was told to us, oh, her hair ain't done. Why that girl walk out like that with her head like that? Girl, she don't put a hot comb to that. And sometimes you still hear that to this day. So, it's just something to think about, and, like I said, know you, because I'm telling you, the hair don't rock you, you rock the hair. Does that make any sense to y'all guys? You rock the hair, meaning I don't care if you had a perm in your hair to wearing it kinky. I don't care what your hair would be like. If you're not that confident in yourself to walk up that red carpet or wherever you walking at, honey, and work it, it doesn't matter. It doesn't mean anything. It doesn't mean anything. So we're going to be getting down to the nitty gritty. We're going to be teaching about hair, but we also going to be teaching about, like I said, love yourself. I can't teach you how to love yourself, but you understand what I'm saying? I can give you some tools. However, all of that plays with hair, with what I'm going to be showing you, with being natural, with wearing your hair, with appearance, all of that stuff. But like I said, we are definitely going to get into it, y'all. Get into it. I thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure that you like and share. Please subscribe to this video. And if you have any questions about your hair, please feel free to ask. If you want me to do a video about certain things about your hair that you want to know, please feel free to put your comment up and ask, because I can answer whatever questions that you may have, because I'm taking you back. I'm going to take you all the way back, meaning how your hair grows through the body, how your bloodstream and your hair works hand in hand. Everything that you put through your body comes out your hair. And people, that has always been said, but nobody never really broke it down to let y'all know how. It comes through there because of the bloodstream. That's why you smoke weed and they pull your hair and it's on the hair. On the thing when they put it out, when they do the drug test, yes. When you have these different diseases and stuff, what's the first thing they do? Pull your blood work, right, to find out if you have it. But what happens though? And while you're going through all of this process, your hair is coming out, right? A lot of that is because that's how your hair grows through your bloodstream. So it's like, I want to go into all of that. I want to go into all of that and just teach y'all guys that, listen, you don't have to spend a lot of money. You don't got to go out here and get all of this stuff. You can wear you. Or hell, if you want to wear a wig, because like I said, I do wear my wigs. I do. I wear my hair, but I also wear my wigs just as well as I wear my hats. But if I ever chose to wear my hair, I can do that. I don't like my wigs to be on my hairline. So when I want to pull it back, I can pull it back and still wear me if I chose to. Vice versa for women out there that is suffering for different diseases, that's suffering with alopecia and things like that. We got some solutions for you guys too. We have some solutions for you guys too. You know what I mean? So thank you so much. I can't wait to get some things going on. And like I said, if y'all got any questions, make sure that you come up and you can ask me whatever. And we're gonna get it done. We're gonna get it done and do a video on it, and you will know what to do or how to handle it, because everybody hair is different. No matter if you're African American, no matter if you're Caucasian, Indian, whatever, everybody is hair texture is different. I'm African American, but it could be another person is African American, and we can have two different textures hair. Same thing with Caucasian, and you have to treat each individual head differently. Everybody's hair is not the same. Remember that. So I'm gonna go. Love yourself. Love yourself first. You feel what I'm saying? And rock that do. I see y'all guys until next time. Make sure that you like and share and subscribe to this video.